guys, it's Beccaboo here. Welcome to my channel. This is the look I was wearing in my KVD Super Brow video. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm using the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade in Roxy Purple, and I'm using this as my eyeshadow base. So first applying it, and then I'm picking up a dual fiber blending brush to blend that out. This one is from ColourPop, and I did have some pinky reddish tone already on the brush. So as I'm blending that out, that's the tone you're getting from that. Do I like these as eyeshadow bases? I'm not sure. You have to work so quick with these, or else it will be super patchy. So you just gotta work super quick. Alright, so now into the Creepy Cute palette from STROBE Cosmetics. I'm taking Strawberry Milk on a fluffy blending brush and placing that in my upper crease area as my transition shade. Now I'm taking Planchette, it's that lavender shade, and I am placing that into my crease. Then I'm taking ColourPop's Fair Play shadow, and I am putting that right in my crease just to add a little bit of dimension, depth to the look. And then I'm going to pick up the previous brush with more of Planchette and make sure that is nice and blended out. Alright, so then I just cut my crease off camera, and now I'm taking a black liner and I'm going to be winging this out and then pulling it back into my crease because this is a winged out lid look. So then I'm just drawing it along my lash line, and then I'm going to be filling in that wing. So then I'm pretty sure I took a liquid lipstick. I think this is Love, or I can't remember, guys. Just take something this tone and then smudge it all over your lid. It's just going to be a base for the glitters we're going to be using. Then I just wanted the black to be a bit blacker, so I'm just going over this, and then I'm going to be smudging out the edge. And then for my glitter, I'm starting off with the Lit Cosmetics Afternoon Delight glitter, and I'm placing that on the inner third of my lid, and I am adhering that with the Lit adhesive. So I dip that in the adhesive and then into the glitter and then right on my lid. And then I'm taking the Lit Glittergasm glitter and I'm placing that on the center third of the lid. So then a way to blend them together is you kind of pat over in between the two areas, and then when I go over the black, I kind of pat it, and that way it's more pigmented in the center, and then it kind of fades out. Then just taking Kat Von D's Sexer lip liner, and I am smudging that along my lower lash line, and then I'm doing the lazy girl thing, just blending that out with my finger. And then I'm taking some of those crease shadows and smoking that out. And then taking Coven lip liner from Kat Von D, and I am placing that in my waterline. And then I took a pearly pinky shimmery shade and popped that in the inner corner, and then I popped on these House of Lashes iconic lashes, and this is the finished look. Alright, so this is the finished look. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.